At the Forest Art Area, Alishan Jiayu County, there is a finely shaped structure. It is Song of the Woods, a landscape artwork by artist Wang Wenzhi.
废弃的那个材料，我们再把它重新利用。
这件作品最主要是用了阿里山的那个烘倒木，还有那个废弃的阿里山的那个小火车的铁轨。我觉得废弃再利用，我觉得是相当好的一个方式。这是阿里山回收的整木，都是块木哦，它有那个很多质感。我的作品有一个特色，就是说内外都可以互相呼应，好像很大的一个乐器会有回音，类似像阿里山的一个意象。
阿里山は新高山の西方に連なり。
The elongated wooden beams form the main body, just like the giant trees in Alishan. A ring of stone stacks surround the base, which symbolize the magnificent and grand Alishan. The winding corridors are a tribute to the meandering Alishan forest railways.
雲在には阿里山鉄道を施設し。
The corridors are covered with woven rattan, reflecting nature's changes of light and shadows, just like sunlight filtering through the woods. The copper dome exudes a golden color, changing hues with the sunlight, dazzling the spectators. The base of the main body is made of Japanese alcova, allowing one to look up to the sky, seemingly blending into nature. Let us pray and sing the Song of the Woods.